Python's standard library is a collection of modules available as soon as you install Python. Do you remember the built-in function len we used earlier in the course? We used it directly, and we didn't have to write down code manually, counting the number of elements in an object, right? Similarly, we used the methods from the list class to extend a list, and we didn't have to define a method on our own before applying it. Well, this was because Python's developers have prepared a certain amount of code run automatically when you start a new notebook file. There is a set of modules there at the beginning of your program. You cannot see it, but it contains all those built-in features like the len function or the list class. Namely, these modules form the standard library. Python has a broad practical application. To use the language, it is not mandatory to install all the modules there are in the world. So, besides the standard library that comes with the normal installation, people download the modules and packages they need. Statisticians will be tempted to install a module comprising a large set of statistical functions and methods, while a data scientist will likely use a 24/7 package that helps him organize his data into tables, and so on and so forth. And to this story, we will make no exception. Soon, we will specify the libraries relevant for our financial lectures. But before we get there, please pay attention to the following. Don't expect to create modules all the time. It is true this is one of the best features of Python, but this is typically carried out by highly specialized experts. For instance, some developers will create a certain statistical module that can be imported and used by anybody. If you are a statistician, you will be happy to take advantage of this statistical module. In most cases, it would be free, and you can download it and use it for your calculations. Once a module has been released, it can still be improved and updated. Frequently, developers team up with statisticians to do that. Modules are a dramatic improvement in Python's efficiency. Once established and proven to be functional, a module can be easily reused multiple times, facilitating the work of thousands of users. In our next lesson, we will focus on the technical side, learning how to import a module in your file. See you there, and again, thanks for watching.